It was pre-plucked to perfection, and this is a synthetic wig review, okay? I kid you not.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Hello?
Is the heart of a woman. Yeah.
So you guys, this has been a very long time coming. We have a synthetic human hair blend. That's what they said. They say it's human hair blend. I don't really know for sure. But this is the company. It's called Hairline. This is how it comes. And let's see what we have inside. So let's see all of the goodies that we got. Okay, the first thing that I'm seeing are these lash clusters. These looks really nice. It doesn't have like the glue or anything with it, but if you already have some lash glue that you normally use, this is gonna be perfect. I love these. These two pink clips. It's like a satin scrunchie. Ooh, I like these. So we get some pink clips, which I have been wanting these for so long. These are perfect for like when you curl your hair and you want to keep them like stuck in the middle. So you get these, and then lastly you get a cap. So this is the cap that you get. So you get pretty much everything that you would normally get like in any other package. So I really do like that about it. I guess they gave us this pre-cut lace so we can see how the lace like looks on your skin tone, because I don't really see why else we would need this. But this is some lace. It doesn't look like the lace that we have here. This lace is more of like an ashy kind of color, but this is not the lace that I see here. And what I'm seeing here is amazing, because I will say this, when it comes to the synthetic units, baby, they have come a very long way. It just comes wrapped up real nice like this. Let's take the net off. I am like really freaking surprised right now. I actually cannot believe this. This is insane. Okay, look what this is giving. Okay, are you kidding me right now? For a Synthetica, this is crazy. Look at that. It smells good too. I think they put like a perfume or something on here. Let's see without that white part. Let's see what it looks like on our skin tone. I'm really surprised right now, like what? Look at that. Like the lace is blending and everything. It's not all harsh. This is the parting space. This is what the inside looks like. So you get, you know, a nice deep parting space, and then you get a lot of the perimeter in the very front. So I'm liking that as well. Then you have some combs in here, and then you also have an elastic band in the back, but you don't have the adjustable straps in the very back. That is something that I personally would prefer, but this doesn't come with it. It's perfectly fine. But girl, I'm like really shocked right now. And they have like, this low-key is better than some of like my human hair ones, I'm not gonna lie, okay? Instead of the scallop, it's like a spike. We are gonna flat iron this. I currently have my flat iron on 400 degrees. Let's go ahead and put some makeup on the lace. I'm just gonna be using this e.l.f. foundation. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. And this is so crazy because you guys know this is like how I started everything, and we're just like bringing it back to the roots, okay? Literally. And then just wipe that makeup on the lace real quick and easy. Okay, and this is just gonna help like blend it better, so you know everything looks flawless, because we are gonna give a flawless install. And I really just wanted to do this because you guys know like everything is so expensive right now. It's expensive to be a girl, to get your hair done, your nails done, to get a wax, to get a facial, to just do something nice for yourself, you know. I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and give the girls something that is affordable and something that'll, you know, just do it for a time being. The strap doesn't really feel like it needs to be adjusted too much, but that's why I'm like tripping out, because this is just so similar to like, oh, and then look at this feature, I almost missed it. So on the side here, you see like that C curve that you have going on here, that's supposed to go like perfectly around your ear so that it's more comfortable for wear. So I like that feature in it, but I am gonna cut my comb out. There's combs in the very back, As you guys can see, there's a comb in the very back, but I'm gonna cut the ones off on the side because I don't like those, and those tend to like irritate me. Okay. Wow. This is this is crazy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I already knew it was gonna be bomb, but like, wait a minute. Let me adjust her. Let me get her right. Y'all can't even see right now. Hold on. Let me get it together. Yeah, cause what happened? Okay. Like, are y'all seeing this? With nothing. Like, this could be worn as a glueless install. You don't even really need nothing for real. But like, wow. And then look at that part. Like, what? The only thing is that I feel like I need like a paddle brush to like comb this out. And it does look like a little shiny, but that's okay. You know we gonna make it work regardless. Y'all know how I do it. That's like my only complaint so far is just the shine. Other than that, this is really nice. Just off of like first dibs, like, okay, I'm feeling it. I'm definitely going to, I'm trying to debate if I want to do baby hairs or not. I might just like slick it back, but I'm definitely feeling like I want to put something on it. But like, look at that. Like, that's crazy. Like, what? So we're gonna go ahead and do a heat test on this and see like how it reacts to my titanium flat iron. Okay, I do currently have it on 356. I have it on the lower setting because I just don't know like what this is gonna give. And I'm gonna try a piece. I don't know, I feel like I should start in the back just in case, like, you know what I'm saying? So let me start in the very back and see what it gives. Like, it's gonna be tripping. And not all of it is tangled, as you can see. Like, the rest of this is nice. And it has like some layering or something on there as well. So let's see like what the flat iron do. I'm not gonna talk through the whole thing, but I just wanted to give y'all like my initial thoughts. Okay, definitely see that they have like a little bump going on, so I'm gonna try to keep that aspect to it. I'm not gonna make it too straight. Okay, the curl ain't really curling. I feel like I gotta curl it to get it to curl. Okay, it kind of curl right there, yeah. Okay. We gonna make it work, because y'all know how I do. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish doing the rest of this. I'm gonna go ahead and start on that now, and then before we're done, like when we get to the top, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. But like, look how small the knots are. It's pre-plucked so well. And then the parting space, I know that we can make this go back a little further. Oh, a lot further, okay. So I like that part. You can definitely part it back really far. And I am gonna put some concealer in the part as well. Y'all see what's going on? I'm wondering if I could use my hot comb on this. I'm gonna plug it up anyway and just see like what it gives. So let's go ahead and finish styling our unit.
Oh, you must not know what you just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit with cars. Get my coin and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Okay. Making moves and being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe, I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga, no. I keep saying free love folk, do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down soon as I land on them folks. I'm pressure. Don't follow the rules, I'm broke. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like cat. You a bum ass bitch, you wet. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm pet. Lying in the bitch up, I'm wet. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds hurt, and all these members serve. 32. Smiling in my nigga, ho, knock out all your 32. C8 doors, open up for me, hear the engine roar. Switch to sport, I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. Glock 19, it came with a drum. Yeah, that's my favorite gun. Ask if he my only nigga. I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, yeah, Reds bitch, nigga, I wanna one. Nah, I can't make you mine, but I can make you come. Freak up in the sheets, in them streets, baby, I'm a thug. I just threw 10,000 something ones in this fucking club. I'm popping it so hard, cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want stupid bitch.
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UA Hair, and this is actually a TikTok shop company, you guys. I am reviewing it on YouTube right now, but you can of course order this on TikTok as well. It has an even better deal on TikTok. This is a glueless unit, you guys. This is a 9x7 synthetic unit. It is a human hair blend, but it is a synthetic unit. Let's just be very clear on that. I don't want anybody to order this thinking that this is a human hair unit, like this is 100% human hair, because it is not. It definitely gives you that look, and I am just like so impressed right now. You guys know when I first started off, I used to do a lot of synthetic hair videos. When I say these units have come a very long way from like some of my old videos, when I look at them, I literally cringe by how bad some of those units look. I have never seen a unit plucked this well and it melts this well. Like, look at how amazing this hairline is. It was pre-plucked to perfection, and this is a synthetic wig review, okay? I kid you not. And look how deep the parting space is. Like I said, this is a 9x7. So as far as parting space in the front, you get all of this parting space here up front, and then you get a really deep parting space here in the middle. And you can actually part this anywhere. Like, it's a nice deep part. You can part it in different spaces and it just still looks so good. The only con that I have today is that there is some tangling with this unit, okay? We have to be very clear on that, okay? So you want to make sure that you have a paddle brush. I wouldn't suggest using a rat tail comb like this. It's better to use a paddle brush when it comes to a unit like this, just because of the kind of quality that it is. But you guys can see, like, there's a lot of layers in this hair. It's actually really pretty. I love the layers that they put in here, you you guys can see them there. You can actually frame the rest if you want to. You can like cut more hair here at the top and then have it frame you a little bit more. But this unit is so beautiful, and I like the fact that what you see online is exactly what you get. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot over here of what the unit looks like on the TikTok shop. Like I said, this is a completely glueless unit. I did not have to use anything to adhere this unit. I will go ahead and do the comb test for you guys and slide that comb right up under there. And like, look how good it looks, you guys. It is amazing. Like, I cannot get over the fact that this is not like one of my other reviews. Like, look at that. They plucked it so well, and the knots on here are really tiny, so it gives you more of a natural, like, flawless look. This is better than some of my other units that I receive, so I'm really impressed with this one. This unit does actually come in 5 different colors. So they have a chocolate color, they have a platinum blonde color, which is really cute. They have a blonde, they have like one that has like these highlights in it, you know, like it's like black and it has like the blonde highlights throughout. They have that one. And then they have like a ash blonde kind of color as well, and that one is called linen brown. So if you like this unit and you want to get it in a couple of different colors, I would definitely suggest getting the black and blonde one. That one would be really cute. And then of course the chocolate one, but I do currently have their black one, and this is like one of their biggest sellers. So if you really like this unit, I would say to hop on it while you can, because you guys know anything that is TikTok related, like literally it's gonna sell out so fast, because everybody, like, you know, anything that's posted on TikTok, it's gonna go viral. A lot of people are gonna be into it. I want to say, as far as the length on this one, I would say this is possibly about like a 22 inch. I don't believe it's anything longer than that, but it could possibly be like a 24, but I want to say it's a 22 right now. This is given 22, but look at these beautiful layers in the hair. I love the layers in here. It's so pretty and full. It has a nice density to it. I would say the density is around like 150 to 180% density, somewhere around there. This is just absolutely beautiful. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a link for this down below. Okay, if you have TikTok for this specific deal with the free shipping, free returns, you definitely want to check them out on TikTok. I will leave their company website down below as well if you want to see like what other units they have, and then I will of course leave their TikTok shop down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to UA Hair, shout out to all of you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.